What's your name?
Joseph.
Do you have any travel red flags?
If I'm sharing a room with them, if they snore loud, that's the biggest red flag. Whenever I go somewhere with my family, especially my brother, he would snore a lot and loudly. I can't get enough sleep. It affects the travel next day.
Do you snore?
Others say I snore. I'm trying to change it. Maybe it has to do with whether I use a pillow or not. Because these days, I don't use pillows. My head is parallel to the ground. It's not elevated. Maybe that's why it's causing the snore.
You should Google that. Comment down below why you snore.